Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the System section, then go to the Backup. Here you have to add Google account. So firstly you have to select if you're a teenager or an adult. Okay, not in this case. Excuse me for this misunderstanding. Firstly you have to select if you you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then just tap accept here. Oh no, you just tap turn on, and after that your device will be ready to the backup. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.